You ever feel lonely, even when you're not alone? You've got messages, group chats, maybe people around you, but deep down, something's still missing. That's not just in your head. Modern loneliness is real, and it's more common than ever, especially for people our age. Here's exactly why it happens and what you can do about it. Let's go. 1. You're connected, but not close. Social media makes it feel like you're surrounded by people 24/7. But here's the truth. Your brain doesn't register likes, comments, or streaks as real connection. What it craves is eye contact, voice, presence, and we've traded that for scrolling. So the more time you spend online, the more emotionally starved you actually feel. It's not your fault, but it is your responsibility to recognize it. 2. You hide your loneliness, which makes it worse. You feel sad, but then think, other people have it worse. So you smile, post something, pretend you're good. This creates something psychologists call double loneliness. You're not just alone, you're also ashamed of feeling that way, and that silence keeps you stuck. 3. Your burnout and isolation feels easier. School, work, deadlines, social pressure. You're exhausted by the end of the day, so texting back, making plans, talking deeply, it feels like work. But the truth is, loneliness isn't just about being alone. It's about not being seen. And when life turns into a checklist, you stop showing up as you. So what can you actually do? Let's keep it real. Here are 3 small shifts. Step 1. Real human interaction per day. Face-to-face, phone call, voice note. Something that feels real even if it's short. Step 2. Curate your feed. Mute anything that drains you. Follow creators and people who make you feel safe and grounded. Step 3. Say it out loud. I feel lonely. Journal it. Say it to yourself. You feel lonely because we've normalized fake connection. So tonight, don't scroll more. Just message one person, not a deep talk. Just, hey, thought of you. Hope you're good. You might be surprised where that leads. Drop a yellow heart in the comments if this hit you. Subscribe if you're done pretending and ready to reconnect with yourself and with others. You're not alone. You're just unplugging from the noise, and that's strength.